Hello everyone, my name is Aarti and you're watching HW News. The Supreme Court today granted bail to Mohammed Zubair, Alt News co-founder, in all the 6 FIRs registered against him by UP Police. The bench of Justices D.Y. Chandrachud, Surya, Kant and A.S. Bopanna passed this order after noting that Zubair has been granted bail by Patiala House Court in a similar case that was filed against him by Delhi Police. Now, not only that, the Supreme Court bench also directed the Tihar jail authorities to ensure that Zubair is released before 6 p.m. today, subject to furnishing of bail bond. When he furnishes bail bonds, the Supreme Court has directed Tihar jail authorities to ensure that he is released before 6 p.m. today. Now, the court also said that there was no justification to keep Zubair in custody any further and subject him to diverse proceedings when the tweets for which he has been, the tweets and allegations for which there was FIR filed against him have already been part of Delhi Police FIR, in which he has already been granted bail by the Patiala House Court. The court also clubbed all the 6 FIRs filed against him by the UP Police and transferred it to Delhi. Effectively, that disbanded the SIT that was formed by the UP Police to investigate all the cases against Mohammed Zubair. Now, while pronouncing this order, the Supreme Court also made several observations. Let us understand in this video today what exactly these observations by the Supreme Court were. But before that, if you're watching this video on YouTube, please make sure you subscribe to our channel, like this video and comment below it. And if you're watching this video on Facebook, please do like our page and share this video to as many people as possible. If you like the content that we produce, you can give us a super stars on Facebook. And if you're watching this on YouTube, then you can give us a super thanks on our YouTube. Now, Mohammed Zubair, co-founder of the fact-checking website Alt News, was arrested by Delhi Police 2 weeks ago in a case for his tweet. He essentially had made a tweet in which he had shared 2 pictures. The picture showed name of the hotel changed from Honeymoon Hotel to Hanuman Hotel. An anonymous user on Twitter had complained about this to Delhi Police, on the basis of which Delhi Police filed an FIR against him for hurting religious sentiments. Delhi Police also arrested him for this. But after Delhi Police FIR, there were as many as 6 FIRs filed against him by UP Police. The order said essentially the gravamen of allegations are tweets by him. He has been subjected to fairly sustained probe by Delhi Police. We don't find reasons for his deprivation of liberty to persist further. We direct Zubair be released on bail on each of the FIRs in Uttar Pradesh. Existence of powers of arrest must be distinguished from the exercise of powers of arrest, which must be used sparingly, the order said. The court noted that the FIR registered by Delhi Police includes in its ambit the probe relating to Zubair's tweet as well as aspects related to funding and alleged violation of the FCRA. Furthermore, the court refused to stop him from tweeting as was requested by the UP Advocate General as a bail condition. Justice Chandrachud told the Additional Advocate General of UP, "We can't say that he won't tweet again. It is like telling a lawyer that you should not argue. How can we tell a journalist that he will not write? If there is any tweets against law, he will be answerable. How can we pass any anticipatory order that someone will not speak?" The Supreme Court also disbanded the special investigating team that was formed by UP Police to investigate all the FIRs and allegations against Mohammed Zubair. It also clubbed all the 6 FIRs filed by UP Police into one and transferred it to Delhi Police and said that this case should be handled by only one agency, that is Special Cell of Delhi Police. The order stated, "We are of the view that the alternate prayer of the petitioner should be accepted. All the FIRs registered against the petitioners, including the 6 FIRs noted above, should be transferred for investigation by Delhi Police." Not only this, the Supreme Court order will also apply to all the future cases filed against Mohammed Zubair that could be filed against Mohammed Zubair on the basis of same tweets, on the basis of same allegations. The Supreme Court said that Zubair will be entitled to bail in all such cases. FIR which may be registered against petitioner hereafter on the subject matter in which event the investigation of the FIR shall stand transferred to Delhi Police and he will be entitled to bail. Advocate Brinda Grover, appearing for Zubair, informed the court that 3 of the 6 FIRs are based on the same tweet. She also explained the content of the tweet and the proceedings against Zubair based on the same. Grover contended that in none of these tweets has Zubair made any insightful statements. She alleged that the criminal law machinery was being used to silence and harass him. The investigation, she maintained, was vague and omnibus. Meanwhile, Additional Advocate General Garima Parshad, appearing for the UP government, submitted that Zubair, who calls himself a fact checker, was posting tweets which were spreading venom and instigating people. She further alleged that he was paid for such tweets. She also contended that the state has taken action not due to the tweets per se, but the violence that occurred after such tweets. She also alleged that there are tweets by Zubair demanding why people were not protesting. The state wants to ensure that there is no communal disharmony. Meanwhile, this is what the conditions for Zubair's bail are. Zubair's bail is subjected to his filing a personal bond of 20,000 rupees in connection with the 7 UP FIRs. The same have to be presented before the CMM of Patiala House, and immediately after the submission of the same, the superintendent of Tihar jail has been directed to ensure that Zubair is released before 6 p.m. today. The Supreme Court, however, in its order also said that Zubair will be at liberty to seek quashing of the FIRs filed against him by UP police in front of Delhi High Court. Well, that's all the update is in this particular video. Do let us know what you think about this in the comment box below. For more news and updates, you can log on to www.hwnews.in. Also, before I end this video, a small request for all of our viewers. If you like the content that we produce, if you like the content that we bring to you, then please do consider supporting us. Go to our website www.hwnews.in/subscribe us. There we have listed several subscription options available for our readers as well as for our viewers. You can choose whichever plan that suits your budget and pay us. Because when you pay, you help independent media like us not only survive but also thrive. Thank you so much.